Alright, what's up? We are back inside of Unreal Engine, and I recently uploaded a video called Story to the Past in Unreal Engine. I skipped the main menu for now since I have no artist, and my design skills still need work, so it's kind of hard to try to do both and figure everything out from the main menu, so I just went ahead and skipped it for now. I'll come back to it eventually. But anyway, this scene is called Story of the Past, I believe. I got that from the soundtrack. That's the title of the song that plays during that scene, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call it that. Anyway, as you can see here, the scene is pretty simple. We just have one camera that's inside this giant, like, rotating cloud. It's supposed to be smoke. It's like a dark bluish color right here, but if you go in to hit play, it's like a little bit white. Anyway, this scene mainly just tells the story in the beginning of the game when you start it up of why you're in here and all this good stuff. And let's see, go to content, blueprints, widgets. And this is Hachu. This is cinematic bars. All the character portraits are right there. Kaiba is in the middle somewhere. Let's see. Yes, like those just open up. It's just a simple animation, widget animations, and then these guys just pop in when they need to. So that's pretty much it. That's all I've been working on for right now, since like I said, I can't really do the main menu right now. I'm putting that off until I figure out what to do. And this scene was pretty simple. I got like the widgets set up where the images and the text is actually being read in. It's not through Blueprint. Well, it's kind of through Blueprint, but not really. Let's see. Open this back up. It's load string array from file. I got that from Rama or Ram, however you say it. So anyway, he has a victory plugin, or she. They have a victory plugin that has a bunch of cool little helper functions like this that let you do stuff that Unreal doesn't normally let you do inside of Blueprint. So this is being done through C++. It basically takes in a text file, like mine is story of the past.txt, and it has a little bit of options, exclude empty lines. Anyway, it goes through that, reads whatever that's in there, and it throws it into a string array, and that's how I'm pulling it out and doing some stuff with it. This little storyteller blueprint, I followed a tutorial about some guy who's trying to do a storyteller and like typewriter functionality to make it display on screen. A lot of it's been modified so I could use it for my purposes, but I'll leave a link to his tutorial in the description if you guys want to check it out. So that was modified stuff with Rama's plugin. This one's a little bit modified too to fit my needs. But overall, it worked. It works pretty well. This is some other stuff, junk going on. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll leave links to the description in the descriptions for the tutorial, and I'll also leave a link to Rama's plugin if you guys want to check it out. It really helps. He has a lot of cool stuff in there. I'm assuming it's a he. And I'll leave a link to the profile page to him as well. Anyway, like I said, that's pretty much it. Going back to the main menu, if you want to provide any art or help with any design, leave a comment down below, or check out the portfolio page, and that I'll have linked, and it should have my contact information on there too. If you want to contribute, just in your free time, if you have some stuff, if you want to help out, let me know. I can give you some details. But like I said, as of right now, I currently have no artist or no design help. Pretty much doing this on my own. But any help will be appreciated. So I will get at you guys with the next video as long as I can keep working on this. And we'll see what part we work on next. Peace.